Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Back at another Node RESTful API tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to use the Nodemon tool of Node.js. And what is the use? Just see. For example, if I make some modification, I say welcome to Express. So I'm making a modification. So first of all, I have to save it. Then I have to close this server. Control C. Then I have to start by again. I have to start it. Okay, now it's running, and we see the output welcome to Express. So if one more thing I want to add, one suppose I want to change once again, I want to make welcome by Dr. Vipin Kumar. So again I have to save, then again I have to close it, then again restart. So sometime we feel very boring when we make restart, close, start, close this application. So in Node.js, we have a tool called Nodemon. If we use that tool, then no need to cancel each and every time and restart, close and start, close and start. No need to make this. Automatically Nodemon close whenever you make some modification and you save from here. So automatically your Nodemon will stop your server and restart the server. So no need to stop and start each and every time. Automatically Nodemon will do all your tasks. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to write here at the terminal npm install nodemon and G means for globally, means we want to install it for this machine. So we have to install it npm install nodemon G means for globally, means in this machine I want to install. I don't want to add here. I don't want to here because this is not a dependency. It's a utility tools. So no need to add here. Just I have to install in my system. So that's why I say globally G. So I don't want to insert here as a dependency, but I want to install in my machine. So it will install from the internet. It need internet connection. So it will take time. So when it will complete, then I will use nodemon command in place of node, and I will show you again to close your application, and then automatically nodemon will stop and start. No need to close manually and starting again manually. Automatically it will done by nodemon. Just is going to install. It will take a little bit of time. We have to wait, and then we will go for that, taking a little bit of time. Stalling. Okay, again done. Now I have to give here command node mon app.js. Okay, so in place of node I'm giving a command nodemon app.js. So it is still the server is running here. Okay, and you can see the output, same output I will see here, the same output. So now if I make some modification, for example, I do welcome to express.js and I make change. So you see automatically it restarting, restarting, restarting. Okay, saving and restart, closing and restarting server. No need to close. And if you refresh it, you see welcome to Express. So it's a very useful tool. It automatically stop and restart your Express.js server. So it's very useful. So from next tutorial, I will use this. One more thing we can also do here. There is a script here. So we can type here a script in place of test. We can write start. Okay. or in place of this exit we can put here, the command node app.js, okay, and save it. So again it's restarting, starting. So what to do? Close it, close it. Next time we can also run a command, like we can say nodman start, enter. So we can give a start script also. Again we are starting, so we can give a start because we have save as a script here, and in a script we have given the command node app.js. So here we can give nodemon app.js, okay, just like this. We can close it and I can say nodemon.app.js, okay, same thing. Or otherwise I can also use the normal start by using a script. So I have a two way to start the same application. The output is same, no need to worry, everything is okay. We meet you in next lecture.